Do you want to know?
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment, Ask Me, and I'll try to answer. Our topic today is how to put more ads on your video, mid-roll ads. Here are the steps on how to put mid-roll ads. Number 1, on YouTube Studio, under the dashboard, select Content. Number 2, choose a video that has 8 minutes long or more. Number 3, click the edit icon. Number 4, under channel content, select monetization. Number 5, scroll down and click Manage Mid-rolls. Number 6, press Add Break. Number 7, write how many minutes you want your ads to pop up. Number 8, do it again if you want to put more ads on your video. In this video, I put ads every 3 minutes of my video. So as you can see, it will pop up after 3 minutes, and then the next ads will be after 6 minutes. Number 9, click Continue. Number 10, don't forget to save it. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.
Do you want to know?